Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog, which I'm so excited about because I'm really getting ready for this concert I'm going to. Getting my hair done literally tomorrow, and I'm going to be doing a nail fill. My last set though was literally so cute, and I really want to do French tip this time on my toes, but I feel like I'm gonna have to do right again because one of my toes, like my big toe at that, is bruised. Came in my room to get my scissors so I can go in my restroom and cut my hair, and I'm so mad that these are like kind of skinny because like I feel like this is like low-key a lot, but my grandma is gonna end up helping me, so I'm going to do as much as I can before I get tired. That way I can like stand up and watch my show.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in the bay.
Y'all, it is 12 o'clock in the morning. And I think I started my hair like at 9 something, but y'all, it was such a hassle taking these hoes out. I was supposed to wash my hair and blow dry it tonight, but I don't want to be loud blow drying my hair since it's kind of late, so I think I'm just going to wash my hair, and I'm gonna try my best to like do a messy braid with my hair, like 2 pigtails. Excuse me. I'm gonna sit under the dryer and dry it up as much as I can because y'all, I hate sleeping with wet hair. I'm gonna light a candle. I know it's getting late, but I just want the vibes to be nice when I come back, because when I get out the shower I'm going straight under the dryer, and I just want to come back to a room that smells good. I'm hoping I'm in the mood to edit, but I'm not really. I already know I'm probably gonna want to play on my game, but I'm not worried about that because I know I'm gonna be on my hair appointment for like 5 hours, and if I don't get some type of editing done, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with me, y'all, but like this is the longest I went without posting, I think, and it's been 3 weeks, almost a month, and that's so bad. Okay guys, so it is morning. Sorry about the noise, sorry about not the pigtails, y'all, but so right now it is 7:50. Wait, hold up. If it wants to load, it's 7:51. My hair appointment's at 9. So if I want to make it on time to my appointment, I need to leave the house like at 8:20. I have no idea what I'm gonna eat. I think I'm just gonna grab me a large Starbucks. I honestly feel like that'll do enough. But I'm about to blow dry my hair real quick and literally just leave. I'm not gonna even like waste time recording myself because I'm literally just blow drying my hair. Okay guys, I'm about to leave. Taking my dog out to use the bathroom. Y'all, I'm so excited to get my hair done, especially this style, because one time I had booked for this style, but she was like, I have extra hair, so we can just use my hair, and it just, like, she didn't end up using none of the hair I had, y'all, and I think my hair was supposed to really be, like, right here. My hair was, like, down here. Like, it was still cute, and it was actually the color I was planning on buying today, but I went to the hair store, and I could not find, like, a light, like, pink, like the color I actually wanted. So I think the next time I do my hair, it's probably gonna be like that, because for me and my boyfriend's anniversary last year I had braids, but for our pictures I'm thinking about doing a wig. Jasper, you're supposed to be peeping. Why you got a treat? So I have an extra set of chargers in my car, so wait, what the hell? My gas was not full. I'm assuming my grandma had to use my car. I filled my tank up like per things grams. But as I was saying, I honestly, I don't know, because like Sunday, the day before I leave to go to the Houston thing, no one has booked for one of my last days, and honestly I'm thinking about closing down Sunday and doing my maintenance, also because my boyfriend is the one who's going to the concert with me now, which I'm so excited that we'll have each other, because I was supposed to go with my friend, but she had canceled on me even though we had already bought the tickets. So I was pretty bummed out trying to figure out who the fuck I was gonna find to go with me. And it's so funny because it's actually gonna be like me and my boyfriend's first concert together, and I guess we're seeing Ice Spice. So yeah, this fucking line, ain't it? Like, I feel like this is gonna make me more late to my appointment, but I'm actually about to go check and see, because like I said, I know it's not gonna make me that late, and it does not take long to get a drink. But I thought there were hella car spaces, but I think that they were just trying to get out. Y'all, why did I put my address into my house instead of her place? But yeah, driveway, honestly, it's kind of moving quicker than I thought. Okay, I just wanted to tune in because I got my Starbucks. And I don't know what, I think they literally just remade it real quick, because tell me why when they gave me my drink, it was medium, like it was kind of small, and I was like, I asked for a large. And she was like, oh, sorry about that. But it's like, y'all would have been so pissed if I left and realized that it wasn't a fucking large. And I know I asked for a large because I haven't ate anything today and I wanted to get full off my Starbucks. But anyways, says I'll be there in like 27 minutes. So yeah, everything's working out great. Today's gonna be a good day. Hey y'all, we's at the appointment, about to get did. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I don't know if you can tell, but I ended up re-dipping my hair because I just felt like when I woke up and looked at my hair, like it just was not it. But I think it looks way better in my opinion. I wanted to go shorter because my last set was really long, and I know after this I'm most likely gonna be doing a wig or my natural hair. But I feel like it's gonna be a wig because me and my boyfriend's anniversary is coming up, and I want us to take like old vintage pictures. At first I didn't know what I wanted us to do, but now I feel like old vintage pictures would look so cute, especially because I have a lot of vintage dresses. And I was just thinking how I felt like if we wore cream and our background was like white or black, like black and white, I feel like that'd look so cute. We took black and white, like old vintage pictures, like imagine me as a housewife, like that'd be so cute. I just finished some clients today. I had an appointment at 11 and 1, and in a little bit I'm going to be going to the store to meet my grandma, and that's kind of why I don't want to do my nails right now. But the plan was to do my nails until the 25th and be done with my maintenance, but I kind of want to finish early, that way I can spend the 25th actually just editing, because I want to spend the day with me and my boyfriend, and I don't want to have to worry about editing 2 videos. But I can't be like wasting no time, so I think I'm going to wax my brows and my little mustache, and then I think I'm gonna start clipping these charms off and sanding my nails down to where it's just the base. And I'm hoping I at least get to do the application, because application does not take long on me.
I be in a loop, she be in a group, running on a friend, don't have a loop, turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, ain't even keep it yet, running up a silly shit, staying off the internet, should've stayed with Billy Eilish, turning in a given time, personal pockets pillow talking, cause I got rich without it. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent, we ain't even keep it, you used to be, this shit sleep about it.
Okay guys, so I just finished waxing my brows and my little mustache area. I also like to wax right here sometimes because I feel like it gets like the little peach fuzz, and I don't mind peach fuzz right here sometimes, but I just feel like when it's all gone right here, it just makes my makeup look really good. So I always like it like right here to get like some peach fuzz. But y'all, my eyebrows look so good, and they've come a long way. Like I swear, like maybe 3-4 months ago I had no brows.
I be knowing the rundown, I'm down, and so I can't speak about it. She know all the things that she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league. I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air. Only time I get some Z's. Full cook press put on their neck and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check. It ain't nowhere near easy. Had to find it. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta. I spend my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. No Lambo. Don't be in the mix. I feel this shit forever. Have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money. This ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide. I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good. I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball.
Guys, so my nails are finished. I'm about to put some cuticle oil on my nails right now and then take some pictures for my thumbnail. Jasper's over here trying to get water right now. But, y'all, these are, oh, not the fuzz. I just feel like they're so simple compared to my last set. So, like, I don't know how I feel about them yet. So, on, okay, see. Hi, Jasper. I know, baby. I know. Okay, so on this hand, y'all, I did Hello Kitty, if it wants to load. No, Jasper. Okay, I did Hello Kitty and then like tiger print. I don't know why, but I feel like my opposite hand came out cuter than the actual hand like I write with. Like, but I'm just happy my nails are done. I'm oiling them up for these pictures, and I cannot wait to do my toes, which I do tomorrow. But look, y'all. And at first, I don't know, I just feel like I'm such a perfectionist. At first, I didn't like them because I felt that I made my zebra print lines too thick, and then I feel like there was some of them that didn't like have enough, like they just weren't dark enough. Like some of them, the lines are starting to look like they were fading, if that makes sense. Oil is on. Hey, dang, I think I'm gonna take these pictures against my gray wall. Just finished working on my client. Now I'm about to do my toes finally, which I've been waiting for because they also get to be pink and French tip, which I've been missing, and I'm trying something different, so this should be interesting. But let's get started.
Yo, click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them
High
up,
volume.
cross them up, all these street these bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross them up, all these street these bosses. Cross them up, yo, click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross them up, all these street these bosses. Cross them up, yo, click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, click up, dog.
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keepin' it street, we keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs?
Guys, so I just finished my toes. I'm kind of disappointed in myself though because I really wanted to go out my comfort zone and do zebra toes to match my nails. But as I did the zebra print, like it looked good, but I just felt like it looked weird from like 5 to 10 feet apart. It just looked really weird and I wasn't fucking with it, y'all. And since it's been so long, I kind of just wanted to go just straight back to French tip. I did my toe, like the big toe, like I did my French bigger so you can see my French tip better, and I was kind of scared, y'all. This set was definitely needed. It feels like a fresh set. So when I was in Houston, I had messed up, like one of my toes came off from trying to hurry up these wood steps, and then literally like 2 days after that after we left that B&B, we went to my friend's B&B because my friend was out of town for her birthday with her boyfriend, and we were like doing double dating shit. Y'all, on our way into their B&B, I hit my big toe on their door because they had like this like little, like, you know, like when the floor is raised up, they had like a step thing like that pretty much, and my big toe didn't come off, but it just hurt really badly, and I never ended up letting my toe breathe because, bitch, it's summer. Like, let's be so real. These toes need to be out, okay? What am I hiding my toes for? I let it breathe for like 3 days, and then I was like fed up. So I decided to just go all white since it had been a minute. So I had filled my toes in with clear acrylic so I could see how my nail looked, at least under it. And then today I checked on it, y'all, and like the whole nail, like it kind of came off, but it didn't. Since it had been growing out, my big toe actually had something to latch onto, so I don't think these toes are just going to lift and come off, because I actually, like, there was a ridge too, compared to, I did try and put acrylic over my other toe that had fell off because I thought I was feeling a nail, but it was not. But the weird part is it fell off after a week, so I felt like that lasted pretty good, and I need my toes to last me a week anyway for the events I have coming up. But y'all, I'm literally obsessed, and then my feet feel super soft on top of that because of the fact that I scrubbed my feet this morning. I do need to buy some edge control though for my edges. I lost my other one and I just bought one too, and I was looking for it this morning, and I'm just pretty sure I misplaced it. But that's it for the video, y'all. That's my maintenance, nails, toes, hair, waxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and bye.